Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Rinku Art. In my last video I had explained about cartoon body turnaround, and today in this video I'll explain you how to draw cartoon arms turnaround. For this I need to draw the body as well, because without body it's difficult to understand the turnaround of hands. Friends, I need to inform you that as my channel is not growing that fast, I have decided to upload videos for kids and character design, and these videos will come frequently. I hope you too will like those videos. In character design videos you can also observe how I draw my cartoons. If you all have any other good ideas, then please feel free to share in my comment box. Send your drawing to rkart83@gmail.com and I will do the fix up and will explain where you are going wrong. So coming back to our topic, here first I'll draw a rough cartoon character. These are the 2 points from where both the hands will come out. Here I am drawing the stick hand first so that it will be easy to understand. If you want, you can draw a proper cartoon hands. I am giving the character a face. So as my character is ready, I'll start drawing the other poses, but before that I need to draw the lines, the guidelines. Here I'll take a long scale to draw the guidelines. You can draw as many lines according to your requirement. Now time to draw the 3/4 pose. I hope you can understand and draw the turnaround till the body. So here while drawing the 3/4 hand, we should keep in mind that the hand and shoulder should be visible, which is towards the camera, and the other side hand will be less visible. Here I am drawing the face turnaround but not explaining the details, because I have already explained it in my previous 2 videos, and the link of that I'll provide you in my I button and description box. Please check those videos if you haven't yet. Here I am drawing the side pose, which is an important pose in turnaround. In the side pose, to draw the arms, first we need to draw the hands and then the arm. Next, in 3/4 back, here I am doing all the things which I have already explained in my previous videos. This pose is the opposite of 3/4 front pose, and here also the arm will not visible completely, which is away from the camera. Now the back pose, that is the opposite of front pose. So as you can see, all the 5 poses were done. I'll give you a little more on arms. This is the volume 1. You can design your hands in any way you like, but you should know its direction and shape. At the beginning you can draw the hands like this. In 3/4 front there is not much changes in arms though, but the hand should look as if it's rotating. To do so we need to show the fingers, and the thumb should go little inside. Here in side pose, hand will change. The fingers will now visible very clearly, but the thumb is about to hide. In 3/4 back pose, the arm will also be the opposite of 3/4 front or front pose. Please check the circular arc in front and 3/4 back pose. Arms in back pose is also little similar to the 3/4 back pose. Now let's talk about hands. You can choose your hand shape, but at first try to keep it simple. This is the hand I generally use in most of the characters. While drawing hands, take the shape first, then go for detailings. You can choose any shape for the hand here. There are many styles of arms, out of which I'll show you a few. For hands, I first make a shape and then I do the detailings. Try to keep everything rough at first, so that later on you can change it. You can keep the hands open or closed, it's up to you. Take your time to draw nicely and perfectly. Practice several times. Maybe in my upcoming videos I'll explain the arms and hands in more detail. One more drawing exercise you can do. First draw the hands and then draw the body and head. It's a good exercise. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to share this video and give it a thumbs up if you really like it. Please do subscribe my channel, and it's totally free. So till the next video, take care, bye bye.